How about this for a gearbox? This is the 34 MG Midget box that I got stripped down for refurbishing, minus its case. I'm going to put new roller bearings in the lay shaft and new ball bearings on the main shaft. It's 4-speed and reverse, no synchro mesh. First and second are straight cut gears that slide, and third and fourth come from a pair of helical gears that move together and engage on dog clutches forward and back. There are 2 selector rods on top with forks that notch into the gear trains, one for third and fourth and one for first and second. They're operated by the remote shifter and notch into place, locked by spring-loaded ball bearings. So we're in neutral, input shaft moving, lay shaft follows it but no output. First gear, slide it back into position, slide forward, second gear, back into neutral. This pair of helical gears are locked together. When they go back and engage on the dog clutch, that sets you up for third speed. Pull them forward, notch into this top one, and then you've got direct 1-to-1. There's also a reverse gear that fits in between the first gear train and provides an extra gear to give you reverse.